In a dimension separate from Earth, there exists another world where humans all possess bird characteristics. There lives a girl named Lua Asuka, who loves watching idols and magical girl cartoons on BirdTube. However, her parents think such forms of entertainment were unbecoming of her status. So she studied day in, day out, and tried her hardest in her extracurriculars to please her parents. She was a school champion in swimming. She was a class president. She took on many responsibilities for her young age. But in the back of her mind, she still dreamed. She wondered what could have been. And when time came to decide her future, she hesitated. She had worked all her life for someone else's dream. But what about her own dream? At this time, something else was happening on Earth. Production Kawaii, a VTuber agency in Japan, was looking for candidates for their second generation. The CEO, Kinoshita Kyosuke, wished with all his heart for a passionate candidate whose dream was to become an idol. And the god of VTubers smiled down at him. Meanwhile, in another dimension, Lua just got home from school. She put down her things and began practicing singing, one of the things she loved to do. She had always dreamed of singing in front of an audience. But an accident happened, and she fell, and fell, and fell, and fell. And when she woke up, she was in an unfamiliar place, a world she had never seen before. It was like some kind of force guided her towards the production Kawaii offices that day. Like it was meant to be. And when the doors opened, she knew this was her chance to fulfill her dream.